Here's a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Cab, 17,000 mile with a clean Carfax in white. Really nice truck here. Actually has the 302, I believe it is, A package, which gives you a lot of nice features on an XLT trim with the XTR package. So I'm just going to kind of go around here real quick and show you the differences that these packages give you. And right off the start, you can see the chrome grill inserts, louvers behind the 2-bar grill, as well as the chrome tow hooks and lower bumper fascia. It's part of the chrome package there. You do have your halogen headlamps and fog lights in the lower bumper fascia. So work your way around to the side. You actually get an upgraded chrome wheel as well. You can see on GoodYear tires, these are the factory tires, a little better than half tread there on those. You also can see a nice resurfaced rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that inspection signed out by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. I'll show you that report here soon, but I want to show you it does have a full power passenger seat, 2 bucket seats with a full console in between, column shifter. You can see the big touch screen radio. And then let's just take a look here. 2-tone dash, light gray, dark charcoal with dark charcoal carpeting. You can see 9/32 on those tires. Like new brakes all the way around. So we completely go over these cars. We don't just wash them and stick them on the lot. New oil change, new air filters, new brakes, and like new tires. Do not want you to have to put any money into the wearables on these things after you buy them. We want it to be a like new purchase at a used car price. As we look in through the back, you can see very spacious rear, leg, hip, and shoulder room here with this crew cab model. You also have the flow-through center console with your connectivity, 3 different charging ports in all, so it allows your rear occupants to stay connected and comfortable. Also, the chrome package gives you the 5-inch flat chrome door-to-door step bars here on the side. Also, as you can see, matching GoodYear raised white letter. Nice chrome wheels, chrome exhaust tip on the chrome package, no rust on the frame as you can see there. See the nice XTR badge. So we work our way around to the back. Got the sensors here, park sense on the rear as well as your backup camera right there. Does have the tow hitch and integrated wiring. Factory sprayed on bed liner. Continue around to the side, has the molded mud flaps on the back. Shot of that frame rail, you can see, no rust at all. Looks good. Give you a shot of the interior from the driver's side, very clean. No rips, tears, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. You also get the nice rubber mats all the way around in this truck. Chrome door handles, part of the chrome package. Does have the combo entry exit. Allows you to keep the vehicle locked up in the contents while running, which is good. A lot of proximity key styles do not. Does have the heated mirrors, as you can see there. Go ahead and jump in. Good miles, like I say, only 17,000 on this 2019 model, 17,634 to be exact. 2 sets of keys, and the 301 or 2A package, excuse me, gives you the remote start factory, which is a nice feature. Go ahead and start it up. On the door, we have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. As you can see there, locks are down on the side right there. Headlamp control right here with auto headlamp setting. There's the button for the fogs and the cargo light, dimmer for your interiors. It does have power pedals and an electronic parking brake. Stem to the left, high beams, turn signals, intermittent wiper washers. Like I said, you do have a column shift with the ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. You do have your tow haul modes on the end. Control pad to the left here is for your center display. So your tire pressure monitoring, distance till empty, engine hours, digital speedometers, a lot of configurations there. Also have your cruise to the lower left. Audio controls on the steering wheel to the right, and your Bluetooth hands-free sync system to the lower right. Electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case with the trailer park assist. It does, this package also gives you the large radios I spoke of before. AM, FM satellite radio here. It also, I thought it might be equipped with nav, but it may not be. Yeah, there it is. Also is equipped with navigation. So very well loaded up XLT. This is the ability to shut off your traction control, your hazards, and the ability to toggle on and off your auto start system. Another thing this package gives you is the heated seats, heated cloth seats, another nice feature. These are also your temperature controls. Got a USB here, as you can see. 2 large cup holders, a little tray, and a nice big center console here with another power supply. LED map lights up top. We do have an auto dim on your rear view. And as you can see, you got your visors there also. Let's go ahead and take a peek underneath the hood. Now there's 3 types of engines you'll typically find in a half-ton Ford F-150 in 2019. You got the 2.7 Turbo 6, the 3.5 Turbo 6, and the 5.0 V8. This is the EcoBoost 3.5 V6 Twin Turbo. Actually outperforms the V8 in its optimal RPM range. It is like a rocket ship. These trucks really do run well. You can see very clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained, obviously only 17,000 miles and quiet. Go ahead and shut the truck off. We'll get into the last portion of the video. One other nice feature with this truck, on top of a lot of nice features, it is the long wheelbase. 157-inch wheelbase, 6.5-foot box. So I wanted to point that out to you as well. Now, the last part of making an informed buying decision is cosmetic appearance. I always showed you, actually I don't believe I did show you. Let me do that real quick. Carfax, no accidents, as you can see there. Nice clean Carfax. So we leave the Carfaxes on the dash. I showed you the mechanical history and everything we did getting this truck ready for sale with all new wearables. The last part is conditioned cosmetically. So I'm just gonna walk around, show you any chips or dings or dents. However, you're not gonna find much. We're not gonna find much, hopefully, if we did our job well. Because as I said before, our goal is to give you a like new vehicle at a used car price. So we only buy the cleanest off-lease and fleet vehicles that become available to us. We do have to pay a little extra for the nice ones, I guess you would say, but at the same time, we competitively price our vehicles to where we still typically are in the bottom 10% of price to mileage ratio. And so in other words, you're getting a great deal, but not only a great deal, you're not sacrificing on cosmetic, mechanical, anything like that. Carfaxes, no bad history. So you're not sacrificing, you're getting the best of the best at a very, very competitive price. And I really can't find much of anything on this truck. It's really in good shape. There's not even very many stone chips here across the front, which usually you will get. A little scuff there and a couple here on the hood that I'll show you, but all in all, guys, this one fits the bill. Like new alternative, does still have the remainder of the powertrain warranty and comprehensive warranties transferable from Ford to the next owner, so you can buy this truck with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. You can visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, or give us a call at area code 717-485-4224, or look us up on the web at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.